Presenting the Amazon Basics 7.5 kilograms semi-automatic top-load washing machine that saves your time and effort and gives you perfectly washed laundry results with convenience. The machine is ideal for families with 4 to 5 members. The machine is made of rust-free, durable body in burgundy color with a water and shock-proof panel. It comes with 3 wash programs to suit different types of clothes. The punch-type pulsating action delivers powerful washing to get rid of even the tough stains. The inbuilt scrubber scrubs off stains easily from cuffs and collars without you having to manually do it. With a high spin speed of 1300 RPM, the drying time for the clothes becomes much faster. The inbuilt lint filter collects the extra fiber from the clothes and keeps the drainage unblocked. The machine comes with a 35-minute wash timer and a buzzer to let you know once the washing is complete. With the auto-balancing spin tub, the machine automatically balances the load inside the tub to give you better cleaning and drying results. The caster wheels in the machine helps you move it around easily. This washing machine comes with brand warranty of 2 years on product and 5 years on motor. You can avail the EMI or no-cost EMI option. You can also pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery of this product at a day and time of your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. In case you receive the product in a condition that is damaged or defective, we offer a free 10-day return replacement policy. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.